Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl here, Bex21, and I'm back at it with another video here. If this is your first time seeing me, my name's Bex, my name's Becca, my name's Rebecca. Sis, you can call me whatever you like, but don't call me Becky. Oh, first things first, we are in Virgo season and I am so happy because, as we know, my birthday's around the corner, baby, and I've been dropping the pounds, baby. So as I'm recording this, I realize that it's really old, so don't mind the Virgo, all that. 2020, okay, you're now seeing this exclusive footage. Continue. I'm here because as I've been detoxing, as I've been doing stuff, I'm noticing my body is detoxing as well. So that comes with a lot of other things, especially me being on a water fast. Yes, I had a couple bowel movements, but also not that many due to only ingesting water for 8 days. My face is starting to re-break out and my body is like extruding a smell. Okay, this is normal. So I'm going to show you guys how I detox my underarms, okay? So I haven't waxed in a while, as you guys can see. We're in quarantine and I don't care, my dude don't care, so baby I don't care. But you guys should be doing this every month because these are your lymph nodes for number one, and this is a very sensitive area. This area can cause cancer, can cause breast cancer, a lot of other things. Your lymph nodes has to do as well with draining toxins and being sick. So if you don't want the COVID, it's best that we detox, especially with these harsh ass deodorants that we use. There's such thing as an antiperspirant and a deodorant. Most of us are used to antiperspirant, which essentially block everything, don't allow us to sweat, which prevent detox in the first place, okay, and a lot of other things, and they have really bad chemicals like aluminum, a lot of other things that you really shouldn't be putting in your body. So I'm going to show you guys how to detox. I suggest doing this thing about once a month, maybe one and a half months, every so often, like that. But definitely everybody needs to do that. If you guys have really dark marks, I'm going to tell you guys what you guys can do for that. If you guys have really dark underarms, I slightly do, but not quite, so it's not that bad for me. But first things first, I'm gonna take about 2 cotton rounds, and I'm gonna take some witch hazel. I already showered, but you know, we want to clean it up. It's been about 3 hours since I showered, and I haven't put anything on, so not putting any antiperspirant, any deodorant, anything like that is very important for this. And no, for those of you guys who are like, oh, your body's doing that because you have hair. No, okay, if I didn't have hair, it would do the exact same thing because I'm detoxing. I'm gonna take 2 more cotton rounds and just go over it one more time, okay, because we don't want that bacteria to get seeped up in there. Very simple process. So I kind of want my armpits to dry. I'm going to take this Aztec Clay here. A lot of you guys know about this Aztec bentonite clay here. It helps with so much things. You can detox your face, your hair, your body, etc. with this stuff, and it really works very well. So we are going to use this for our underarms. I already have some water in here. I don't know if you guys can see. I have about a half of a cup of some warm-ish / hot water, and I'm just gonna throw this bentonite clay in here little by little, and I'm just gonna stir it up until I get the perfect consistency that I want. Probably put a little bit too much water. I'd probably say try a 1/4 cup of water. I didn't think it was gonna be that much. All right, here we go. You want to stir it with something you don't use your face with. So a lot of you guys do face masks and things like that. Don't use the same thing for your armpits. Like, that's nasty, okay? It's Virgo season. Let's get it together. That's why I'm using this plastic fork here, because it's something that's disposable, can get thrown away, and I can also use it to spread on the bentonite clay. So right now I have some lumps in this mixture, so I'm just trying to get out those lumps to kind of make it more of a smoother consistency. I'm gonna make sure my armpits are dry. For those of you guys who want to get rid of dark marks or dark spots underneath your arm, you're gonna want to go ahead and put some turmeric in this mixture, okay? It's gonna help lighten and brighten. Turmeric does that. I mean, I don't know if you guys know, there is no health benefits for turmeric. It's just a brighten. So it literally does nothing but brighten your skin. Just a FYI. So I'm going to smear this on my underarm area, just like this. Not too thick, okay, because we don't want that. But especially for those of us who are switching from harsh deodorants to natural deodorants, this is really a must, because you'll start to notice that you start stinking, or you'll say that these deodorants aren't working for you, you know, etc. That's because you need to detox your armpits. Okay, so we have a smooth thing here. I can't really put my other underarm down, so I'm gonna try and kind of bend it just slightly so I can go ahead and get the other armpit. This is very simple. I mean, you could ask somebody to help you. I don't think it's necessary. Okay, I'd be asking for help, period. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and lay down somewhere like this for about 15 minutes, okay? And then we're gonna come back and wash it off, okay? I'm just gonna get a cloth of some sort and just wash it, okay? So nothing spectacular or super crazy, just the cloth, okay? We'll be back. Hey guys, so I'm back. As you guys can see, I'm all dried up. I must say, I just had to use the bathroom so bad right now. And I have to tell you guys that if you guys have hair, it's going to pull. If you put your arms down after it dried, obviously. But I have 2 washcloths here. They're like squeezable wet, okay? But, you know, they're not dripping. That's what you essentially want. And you're just gonna go ahead, kind of press it, because the steam on the cloth is gonna help loosen it, and then you're just gonna be able just to wipe it all off. Very simple. And you seriously only need 1 washcloth. So that armpit is done. Let's do this one. Y'all, I'm so tired today. Again, press, let the steam kind of settle in the armpit to loosen up the clay, and then just start wiping it away. Okay, my armpits are all clear now. I must say, this is definitely something, again, that I recommend you guys do once a month, something like that, that you guys constantly do, because it's gonna help keep you and help prevent from cancer. It's gonna help keep you guys away from BO and smelling, especially for those of you who have really sweaty underarms. I know as a child I was so insecure about that. I had such sweaty underarms. It didn't matter what I did, how I did it, I was always sweaty. Okay, and I wish somebody like me right now told me, hey, just detox your underarms and you'll be fine, okay? So make sure that you guys are doing this. It's a lot of health benefits. Just kind of let you know what detoxing your underarms really do for you, as far as draining the lymphatic system and a lot of other things, okay? It can help with allergies. Like I said, breast cancer, there's a plethora of things that this can really help you with. So I definitely suggest you guys go ahead and take a look and go ahead and do it for yourselves. Very simple, easy, no pain, no extras. All you have to do is put your arms up and wash it off, pretty much. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching you know, health tip. At this point, it's health tips with Bex, okay? Period, okay? Because we're changing. The world is changing and I'm changing with the world, okay? Because baby, I've been on this, and that's on another game, period. Alright y'all, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love each and every one of you. Thank you guys for the support, okay? And that's on a period.